Why do AI models still mess up numbers, and even when they use Python? Here's the short answer. The model isn't a calculator. It's a writer that sometimes calls a calculator. A lot can go wrong in between. Think of it like texting a friend to do your math homework. Slightly vague message. They compute the wrong thing. They send back a number. I confidently repeat it. That's what happens with large language models. First, tool use is fragile. Turn your question into code. Run the code. Read and summarize the result. Wrong variable, wrong column, wrong units, misread output. Library returns a tuple instead of a float. Confident, but wrong answer. Second, floating point weirdness. Computers don't store most decimals exactly. Tiny errors accumulate. Round early, switch precisions. Compare floats directly, big edge case errors. Third, context loss. Long prompts get truncated. Tool call misses a constraint. Use median, not mean. Summary reintroduces the wrong stat. Fourth, timeouts and fallbacks. Network hiccup, library missing, sandbox limits, model guesses based on patterns, numerical hallucinations explode. Fifth, non-determinism. Sampling plus multi-step reasoning, runs can diverge. One path calls the tool correctly, another goes rogue. Sixth, unit and schema mismatches. Kilobytes versus kilobytes. CSV versus JSON. Dates DD versus DD. Small mismatches, big errors. How do I tighten this up? Force deterministic tool calls with strict schemas and typed arguments. Echo inputs back, I will compute X using Y with unit Z. Validate with independent checks and unit tests. Use decimal or rational math for money and fractions. Keep prompts short. Pin critical constraints near the tool call. Never silently fall back. Surface errors to the user. Bottom line, AI can use Python, but reliability lives in the plumbing between language and code. Make that pipe precise and the numbers stop lying.